probably not good.
Because we might go to jail if we just don't do it.
William, okay? Let's do it.
Get off your phone, Harris.
Harris?
Sounded okay? It's probably going to have a sound back.
Hey Brett, it's nice to meet you. Ryan, am I sick?
That's a pretty good fit right there. It's top notch. Yeah.
What's up? How you doing, Frank?
Pretty little princess right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that in one of the scenes where we have dialogue.
We'll focus on them. One where you give them your full attention, and one, do whatever you want. Freestyle. All right, go. I see you too. And then what's the third one? Whatever you want. Freestyle. Nice to see you too. All right, that was all right. So I haven't been writing in this.
I say the truth in Christ. I like not it's also bad. Yo, what? Who's the king? And he doesn't know how to speak English. One God and Father for all, who is above all and through all and in all. But unto everyone, therefore he saith, he has ascended.
I'm looking at Ash.
You can be either looking at Luke,
In the mirror.
you can look at Nick,
You could look at Marta.
you can kind of look at Ryan. There's a lot of stuff. Audio, scene 1, shot 12, take 200, and action. It's good to see you again, Brad.
It's my Nick impersonation.
What do you say? I returned to the camera, I didn't realize this was part of the thing.
Yeah, that's the thing that happens in the
Just move this thing out of the shot.
This?
No.
Yeah. Bobby, other side. What?
No, we're gonna film it later.
Hey, I don't see him.
It's because we need. It's because Jessica's not here. Nope. We filmed the last scene yesterday, and that's the first scene today. And he's like, well, I just got back from work. And I was like, oh, where do you work? And he said, I work over there at the University of Science. And I keep you setting up the hater. No. What?
You did this bait. Just let him do it.
Let's not build
off
it.
the bait.
Let's not build
Don't
it.
rip off. You're not even.
You don't want me to rip off a bit?
No. Something else.
It's funny though.
I did it. It's just off.
No, but it's like really awkward and like really drawn out and funny.
Don't use the bait. There's someone else alone.
Hi, Jessica.
Hello, sorry I'm late.
Fashionably late. It's okay.
Not lean forward as much.
Okay. Well, you can back up a little bit.
Nick, no. Wait, what? Will you back up?
You don't have everybody, so. Whatever. Let's just do the stand-up. No, Luke's doing his stand-up bit, so you should be embarrassed, but also amused. Yeah. Okay. Are we ready?
Faces, right?
Probably not.
I was watching my kids just doing their tests, and they were just over there just scribbling away, and then they just started goofing off. And they were just totally not doing the test. They were not doing what they were supposed to do. And me as a man, I had to do my job, and I had to put them in line. So I was trying to figure out a way for them to do their test, and he said, stop goofing off. And so this one dude came up to me, and he was like, hey, fight me. Shoot, I turned around.
Okay, just go from hey Garrett and continue. It's going to be way too long. How long? Yeah, but I'm not going to use parts of it. Just use like 45. I need the whole bit because it's in the background of the aircon.
I do not want to use
Garrett. Do not. Okay, so just don't. Did you just use the contraction?
Did you do the contraction?
I did use a contraction.
That's called a cut. That
Do
is
not
a
do
cut.
that.
He's not even a method actor.
I don't even method act. I don't even know the method of acting.
You just act.
No, it's methodically.
That's crazy. So we're starting first.
Oh, it starts with my line. You want Marta close?
Yeah. That's not rapping. That's just like what do you?
Okay, Nick, you probably orange.
Luke doesn't know much.
Movies, guys.
See like close rap.
Look at this man right here. Yeah.
The IMDb, you know, like
Easter egg.
yeah, the problems or whatever the issues in the
Notice that Mr. Hopkins' burger slowly disappears.
mistakes. It appears he
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Does the lighting look good?
Ryan, what should I say? Like I see it. And that is why. That's what it says in the script.
What did you say at the end of the thing? Say that is
cut
how
me
you
off
be a
mid
man.
joke.
Say that is how you be a man.
No, that's how you be a man.
That's what I just said. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Are we ready?
No. I'm ready.
Okay. Roll camera. 3, 2, 1, action.
And that is how you be a manny. You have a line?
Yes.
Like direct me to have a line.
I thought you knew you.
Were you just video? Am I the only?
I really am not very good. I really am not very good. Really, I'm not very good.
You just used a contraction.
I said I am not.
No, you said I'm. Wait, one more time without the contractions.
Really, I am not very good. I am not very good.